Just acquired this beautiful BMW. It's a 520 diesel, stunning metallic blue. It's been really well looked after and cared for. It's got the rear park distance control, 20 exhausts. See, the boot area is in absolutely fantastic condition throughout. Pull up there as well. It's electric. All works, lovely smooth operation. Full leather interior, absolutely stunning inside. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, partial electric seats. It's got automatic headlights, automatic, satellite navigation, heated seats, Bluetooth. Really is in fantastic condition. Got aux and a USB there. Does not look or drive like the mileage or the age of the car. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty, part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.